It is now the 27th of September, and we're at Epcot, of course, as you can see behind me. What's taking place? It's going on 7 o'clock at night. The rain from Ian is starting to come down, and we're going to just kind of go around the park to kind of see what's going on. A lot more people leaving the park as coming in. A lot more people coming out than coming in, I guess is the best way to put it. But the one thing to take in is Disney is going to be shutting down. The 28th being Wednesday, tomorrow, and the 29th. Just for the fact, the course that this hurricane is actually coming is kind of changing the way Disney is doing things. So tomorrow, Disney parks will be closed, and on Thursday. And that's just keeping everyone safe, and cast members, of course. So they're going to be starting to batten the hatches down, I guess is the best way to put it. So we're just going to get some sights and sounds of what's going on around here. And I've not seen rain all day long, but it's starting to settle in. And I spoke to Melinda. Of course, she's down the road a little bit more toward Tampa, and it's starting to get a little more windier that way. So come along, let's see what's happening, and we'll take it minute by minute, but it should be okay. They're gonna start wrapping everything in saran wrap here shortly, I would assume. But it's starting to rain a little bit. Test track's still running though, so we're not seeing any type of lightning or anything of that sort. But again, Disney is shut down tomorrow and Thursday, so that is taking place. But the cool thing is crowds are light, so let's check it out and see what's happening. So we are heading back into World Showcase. Again, a lot of people coming out. It's we had to talk to a few people that were complaining about the shutdown, but you got to keep everybody safe, and especially with the way this storm is coming, you don't know what the outcome's going to be. So it's best just to keep everybody safe and basically batten the hatches down. That's what they're wrapping everything. So that's just kind of what needs to be done. So flavors from Fire, they have saran wrap and start wiping everything down. So that's how you keep it protected, So all of the stations are being wrapped up and tidied up a little bit. You don't have the lighting back here like you used to have, and the fact is, it's all the lights used to hang back here, and now they're in the tubular structures going up. Now they don't have to wrap them in saran wrap, so the structures are fairly sound, and they're LED lights that go up through the middle, so none of that anymore. So we're going to take a walk around World Showcase and see what's happening a little bit, and then we may go ahead and get out of here because the rain is starting to come down just a little bit heavier than it was a few moments ago, and it's no hill for a climber, but still don't want to get soaked. My Columbia jacket will only keep me dry for so long. Before the storm, journey into imagination. right behind me, of course. You do see still a lot of people leaving, but you do have a little pretty good clip of folks actually coming in also. So it's a little odd. Folks are really trying to get every little bit of their park out of today, even though it's raining. They're going to try their best to get as much of it out as they can. Look at the structures coming up on the Moana zone, I guess is the best way to put it. But wow, my camera is starting to get wet. I may have to put it up, but wow, I love this park at night, I really do. But come on, let's go. Hey, so ran into some friends. So I've got Josh, my nephew, and Tabby, his significant other. We just call her my niece. And they've been roaming the parks today. And we're actually coming to Epcot tomorrow, but now they can't. Just for the fact that nobody gets to. It will be closed. But it is for safety, remember that. She has never ridden Living with the Seas with Nemo and friends, so pray for us. Here we go. So we had to go ahead and leave Epcot. The weather started getting a lot worse. Wasn't even able to load this until after the hurricane had already left, just because we were out of power and internet service. So hope everybody is safe. Enjoy, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care.